Recruitment Admin Workshop, where we will ensure that you feel confident in understanding how to certify that your school or trust is compliant with the latest legislative and good practice requirements. We will cover everything from how to scrutinise your recruitment process to how to effectively onboard employees and how to keep appropriate records to help you significantly reduce the risk of a negative Ofsted finding. If you are involved in the administration of HR and recruitment in a school or trust, then our highly interactive workshop will enable you to review your own recruitment practice and take away and apply practical measures to ensure compliance. If you're interested in finding out more, please contact us on 01480 431 993 or email on consultancy@epm.co.uk or complete our inquiry form. Thank you.